Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel 99 Rates. In this video, we will do complete analysis of both the indices Nifty and Bank Nifty. We will try to see how Nifty and Bank Nifty behave today, and also we will try to see the important levels for the tomorrow's trading session. Let's start our analysis with Nifty. Here I am using Nifty hourly chart. This is the impulsive move. For this impulsive move, now we are seeing the correction. This is the important support for Nifty. This is what we discussed it in the weekly analysis video, and yesterday also I told you the same thing, that 19,620 will act as important support. If you see today, exactly from this level, from 19,620, we have seen a bounce of more than 100 points. From this level, index has given a bounce from this level. So what are the important levels for the tomorrow's trading session? For that, we will shift the time frame to 15 minutes and see the important levels for the tomorrow's trading session. Here you can see this area from 19,620 to 19,580. This complete area will act as support for Nifty for tomorrow or in the coming trading sessions. And this resistance line, this trend line is holding this complete downtrend. So confirmation for this reversal is only above this level. What is the level? 19,700. So above 19,700, if Nifty opens flat or with small gap up tomorrow, then these levels will work. And if Nifty opens in between these levels, and if it breaks on upside, if it breaks, that is if it sustains above 19,700, then our first target will be 19,780 and the second target will be 19,820. If Nifty opens flat and test this level again, don't try to sell here, see for price action. If you see any price action like this, W pattern or something like this, you can long from this level also, from this 19,620. If Nifty for any reason opened flat and it has created this type of price action, then you can start from this level, but the targets will be very low. The first target will be 19,580, and if at all Nifty sustains below 19,580, then you can trial your stop loss for the target of 19,520. These are the levels for Nifty for the tomorrow's trading session. Here I am using Bank Nifty 5-minute chart. If you see today, Bank Nifty opened flat and it has given a fall of more than 300 points from its day high. After that, it is in range whole day. So what are the important levels for the tomorrow's trading session? This level, this is the short level for Bank Nifty, which is 45,650, and this is the long level for Bank Nifty, which is 45,920. So above, if Bank Nifty sustains above 45,920, then our first target will be 46,070 and the second target will be 46,200. If Bank Nifty trades below 45,650, then our first target will be 45,550, this level, and the second target will be 45,433. These are the levels for Bank Nifty. For any reason, if Nifty or Bank Nifty opens gap up tomorrow, that is above this level or this level, then we will wait for the best price action and we will update you on channel. So subscribe to our Telegram channel. Please use the link below in the description. Join in the Telegram group. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Keep your capital safe. Thanks and Jai Hind.